show you guys how you get purple hair. Now this was actually a very hard one for me. Like, I kept on trying and trying. When I first done it, it came out pink and I was like, no way. So I tried and tried again and I figured it out. So now I'm here to share it with you guys. So first what I done was I bleached it so it'll come out a blondish colour, and that's when you get your colours. You can just get that from any beauty supply store. I got both dyes from Adore Hair Colour. I put the first colour on first, then I put the second one, which is eggplant colour. That made it go darker, because when I first put the purple on it, it was pink and I was like, no way am I going out like that. So then I threw the other colour on it to make it a little bit darker, and it ended up like this. This is the pink, but a little bit lighter and more pinky. That's what it was before, but I just kept it in it a little bit because, you know, highlights. But yeah, I've had this hair since March and it is now July, so it's lasted me well. It hasn't really done that much shedding either. Oh yeah, the colour's still the same, and I had it since March. I washed it again, I conditioned it again as well. The colour's still the same. Yeah. But yeah, so thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it and I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Had a little slush puppy. Woof woof.